Ngibingelele ngiphinde ngamukela abaqala ukuba kwiMalusi TV bese bengakhohlwa ukucindezela u-subscribe button. U-Owen Ndlovu uthi uzoveza ubugebengu obenzeka ka-SABC aphinde adalule amagama. Zizwele.
Thank you very much to SABC for the show of realities, especially to its topical. We just also found out that SABC has been paying ghosts, and this is not new, ghost workers. I am ready to reveal the names of other people that have benefited and they've been abusing the system at SABC, especially on radio. We want to show all the corruption that is happening on radio. We will be revealing all those names, and those people should be investigated and those people should be suspended. It must not only be news. No, news is just a small fry. The debt is deep on radio. Television is there, but radio is the source of all problems. So we will be revealing all those names to the investigators, and we're asking SABC to expand this investigation to investigate the entire SABC corruption. And we have people that are ready to testify on this, and we will be giving the names. Thank you.